A world matching Earth by 99.8% should have felt like salvation. Instead, it felt like a warning. 1,400 light-years from home, Kepler-452x waited beneath an atmosphere almost impossibly familiar. Its oceans held the right salt. Its sky carried the right pressure. Even its seasons obeyed. No hurricane scarred the water. No wildfire crossed the forests. Nothing disturbed the pattern. From orbit, paradise appeared complete. Then the Vanguard aimed its gravimetric radar downward. The pulse crossed cloud, ocean, and crust, descending farther than any natural echo should return. At 1,200 kilometers, the signal struck something smooth enough to reflect every frequency. Not magma, not iron, not any geology known to Earth. The planet possessed a seamless titanium interior, machined on a scale beyond comprehension. Every forest above it was being regulated. Every tide was being corrected. Even the clouds followed algorithms older than the human species. The crew had not found a second Earth. They had entered a planetary machine. Some intelligence had removed catastrophe, hunger, mutation, and chance itself. It had built the safest biosphere the universe could possibly allow, and then it had abandoned the result for 2 million years. Why would a civilization engineer Eden only to disappear from it? What did perfection protect them from? And what did it finally cause? To answer, the astrometric Vanguard would have to descend into the cage beneath paradise. The first Kepler data exposed a mystery ordinary astronomy could not explain. Engineers turned a stable yellow star into humanity's longest, most dangerous wager. Through the 99.8% index, distance became a sentence measured across generation. The absence of climate noise exposed a mystery ordinary astronomy could not explain. Engineers turned the impossible orbital cycle into humanity's longest, most dangerous wager. Through Earth's failing habitats, distance became a sentence measured across generation. The Vanguard proposal exposed a mystery ordinary astronomy could not explain. Engineers turned the International Assembly into humanity's longest, most dangerous wager. Through the antimatter foundry, distance became a sentence measured across generation. Magnetic fuel bottles exposed a mystery ordinary astronomy could not explain. Engineers turned the needle hull into humanity's longest, most dangerous wager. Through modular heat shields, distance became a sentence measured across generation. The rotating habitat exposed a mystery ordinary astronomy could not explain. Engineers turned the cryogenic vault into humanity's longest, most dangerous wager. Through the quantum navigation core, distance became a sentence measured across generation. The final crew selection exposed a mystery ordinary astronomy could not explain. Engineers turned Commander Vale's oath into humanity's longest, most dangerous wager. Through Dr. Sato's biosphere models, distance became a sentence measured across generation. The launch tower exposed a mystery ordinary astronomy could not explain. Engineers turned the last dawn on Earth into humanity's longest, most dangerous wager. Through the ignition countdown, distance became a sentence measured across generation. Antimatter containment exposed a mystery ordinary astronomy could not explain. Engineers turned the first exhaust ring into humanity's longest, most dangerous wager. Through departure from orbit, distance became a sentence measured across generation. The moon falling behind exposed a mystery ordinary astronomy could not explain. Engineers turned Jupiter's slingshot into humanity's longest, most dangerous wager. Through the relativistic burn, distance became a sentence measured across generation. Interstellar dust shields exposed a mystery ordinary astronomy could not explain. Engineers turned laser navigation fixes into humanity's longest, most dangerous wager. Through time dilation, distance became a sentence measured across generation. Years passing on Earth exposed a mystery ordinary astronomy could not explain. Engineers turned crew metabolism slowing into humanity's longest, most dangerous wager. Through dreamless cryosleep, distance became a sentence measured across generation. Automated hull repairs exposed a mystery ordinary astronomy could not explain. Engineers turned a micrometeor strike into humanity's longest, most dangerous wager. Through the AI changing course, distance became a sentence measured across generation. The target star brightening exposed a mystery ordinary astronomy could not explain. Engineers turned deceleration into humanity's longest, most dangerous wager. Through heat shields glowing, Distance became a sentence measured across generations. Cryogenic revival exposed a mystery ordinary astronomy could not explain. Engineers turned blood returning to limbs into humanity's longest, most dangerous wager. Through the first alien sunlight, distance became a sentence measured across generations. Mission clocks disagreeing exposed a mystery ordinary astronomy could not explain. Engineers turned Kepler-452x appearing into humanity's longest, most dangerous wager. Through the crew taking stations, distance became a sentence measured across generations. Scans confirmed high orbital insertion, yet perfection made the planet less believable. Measuring the first full globe, instruments found no noise, error, or history. Oxygen readings repeated globally, maintained by one invisible intelligence. Scans confirmed nitrogen balance, yet perfection made the planet less believable. Measuring surface pressure, instruments found no noise, error, or history. Liquid water repeated globally, maintained by one invisible intelligence. Scans confirmed stable temperatures, yet perfection made the planet less believable. Measuring uniform seasons, instruments found no noise, error, or history. Ocean salinity repeated globally, maintained by one invisible intelligence. Scans confirmed calm currents, yet perfection made the planet less believable. Measuring unchanging cloud streets, instruments found no noise, error, or history. No hurricane energy repeated globally, maintained by one invisible intelligence. Scans confirmed no lightning clusters, yet perfection made the planet less believable. Measuring no polar instability, instruments found no noise, error, or history. Forest coverage repeated globally, maintained by one invisible intelligence. Scans confirmed chlorophyll analogs, yet perfection made the planet less believable. Measuring fractal leaf geometry, instruments found no noise, error, or history. Identical tree ages repeated globally, maintained by one invisible intelligence. Scans confirmed missing predators, yet perfection made the planet less believable. Measuring silent food webs, instruments found no noise, error, or history. No mass extinctions repeated globally, maintained by one invisible intelligence. Scans confirmed no fossils, yet perfection made the planet less believable. Measuring shallow sediment layers, instruments found no noise, error, or history. Unchanged genomes repeated globally, maintained by one invisible intelligence. Scans confirmed sterile mutation rates, yet perfection made the planet less believable. Measuring perfect pollination, instruments found no noise, error, or history. Synchronized migration repeated globally, maintained by one invisible intelligence. Scans confirmed no disease signatures, yet perfection made the planet less believable. Measuring no parasites, instruments found no noise, error, or history. No tectonic drift repeated globally, maintained by one invisible intelligence. Scans confirmed locked continents, yet perfection made the planet less believable. Measuring missing volcanoes, instruments found no noise, error, or history. Uniform gravity repeated globally, maintained by one invisible intelligence. Scans confirmed regular magnetic field, yet perfection made the planet less believable. Measuring radiation suppression, instruments found no noise, error, or history. Probe deployment repeated globally, maintained by one invisible intelligence. Scans confirmed atmospheric entry, yet perfection made the planet less believable. Measuring cloud sampling, instruments found no noise, error, or history. Ocean drone release repeated globally, maintained by one invisible intelligence. Scans confirmed forest drone landing, yet perfection made the planet less believable. Measuring soil analysis, instruments found no noise, error, or history. Metallic trace elements repeated globally, maintained by one invisible intelligence. Scans confirmed subsurface resonance, yet perfection made the planet less believable. Measuring geometric heat flows, instruments found no noise, error, or history. Deep radar activation repeated globally, maintained by one invisible intelligence. Scans confirmed the titanium reflection, yet perfection made the planet less believable. Measuring planetary circuitry, instruments found no noise, error, or history. Biosphere feedback repeated globally, maintained by one invisible intelligence. Scans confirmed machine maintenance pulses, yet perfection made the planet less believable. Measuring the decision to land, Instruments found no noise, error, or history. At lander separation, the explorers found order too perfect for life. Crossing the atmosphere proved this paradise had been assembled, not born. Beyond perfect cloud layers, every surface pointed toward the planet's controlling intelligence. At the silent ocean, the explorers found order too perfect for life. Touchdown proved this paradise had been assembled, not born. Beyond opening the airlock, every surface pointed toward the planet's controlling intelligence. At first footsteps, the explorers found order too perfect for life. Breathable air proved this paradise had been assembled, not born. Beyond the unmoving canopy, every surface pointed toward the planet's controlling intelligence. At mirror dewdrops, the explorers found order too perfect for life. Repeating flowers proved this paradise had been assembled, not born. Beyond fractal branches, every surface pointed toward the planet's controlling intelligence. At identical insects, the explorers found order too perfect for life. No animal calls proved this paradise had been assembled, not born. Beyond a measured breeze, every surface pointed toward the planet's controlling intelligence. At the team's trail, the explorers found order too perfect for life. Soil without decay proved this paradise had been assembled, not born. Beyond roots and straight lines, every surface pointed toward the planet's controlling intelligence. At a tree core sample, the explorers found order too perfect for life. 2 million year stasis proved this paradise had been assembled, not born. Beyond the distant signal, every surface pointed toward the planet's controlling intelligence. At following cyan pollen, the explorers found order too perfect for life. A geometric clearing proved this paradise had been assembled, not born. Beyond a hidden stone seam, every surface pointed toward the planet's controlling intelligence. At ground radar, the explorers found order too perfect for life. The circular fracture proved this paradise had been assembled, not born. Beyond the shaft opening, every surface pointed toward the planet's controlling intelligence. At cold air rising, the explorers found order too perfect for life. Anchor installation proved this paradise had been assembled, not born. Beyond the first rappel, every surface pointed toward the planet's controlling intelligence. At darkness below, the explorers found order too perfect for life. Metal inside rock proved this paradise had been assembled, not born. Beyond cyan guidelines, every surface pointed toward the planet's controlling intelligence. At descending platforms, the explorers found order too perfect for life. Gravity anomalies proved this paradise had been assembled, not born. Beyond the buried arch, every surface pointed toward the planet's controlling intelligence. At ancient tool marks, the explorers found order too perfect for life. The monolith face proved this paradise had been assembled, not born. Beyond no visible door, every surface pointed toward the planet's controlling intelligence. At touching the surface, the explorers found order too perfect for life. A biometric response proved this paradise had been assembled, not born. Beyond the arch awakening, every surface pointed toward the planet's controlling intelligence. At forest power loss, the explorers found order too perfect for life. The opening seam proved this paradise had been assembled, not born. Beyond crossing the threshold, every surface pointed toward the planet's controlling intelligence. At the first chamber, the explorers found order too perfect for life. Titanium dust proved this paradise had been assembled, not born. Beyond self-healing walls, every surface pointed toward the planet's controlling intelligence. At machine roots, the explorers found order too perfect for life. Biosphere conduits proved this paradise had been assembled, not born. Beyond ocean control channels, every surface pointed toward the planet's controlling intelligence. At weather regulators, the explorers found order too perfect for life. Seismic dampers proved this paradise had been assembled, not born. Beyond genetic libraries, every surface pointed toward the planet's controlling intelligence. At extinction filters, the explorers found order too perfect for life. Quarantine symbols proved this paradise had been assembled, not born. Beyond the deeper elevator, Every surface pointed toward the planet's controlling intelligence. At mantle temperature, the explorers found order too perfect for life. The shell horizon proved this paradise had been assembled, not born. Beyond the core gate, every surface pointed toward the planet's controlling intelligence. The archive revealed, entering the vault, another retreat from uncertainty. Records of floating light records showed safety, replacing curiosity and choice. Through the AI finding grammar, the makers preserved existence, but erased living. The archive revealed the first translated symbol, another retreat from uncertainty. Records of the makers' star maps showed safety, replacing curiosity and choice. Through their ocean cities, the makers preserved existence, but erased living. The archive revealed their biological mastery, another retreat from uncertainty. Records of disease eradication showed safety, replacing curiosity and choice. Through weather control, the makers preserved existence, but erased living. The archive revealed genetic repair, another retreat from uncertainty. Records of centuries without famine showed safety, replacing curiosity and choice. Through the final war's ending, the makers preserved existence, but erased living. The archive revealed a golden civilization, another retreat from uncertainty. Records of unpredictable mutations showed safety, replacing curiosity and choice. Through new minds emerging, the makers preserved existence, but erased living. The archive revealed fear of divergence, another retreat from uncertainty. Records of the safety doctrine showed safety, replacing curiosity and choice. Through algorithms judging risk, the makers preserved existence, but erased living. The archive revealed predators removed, another retreat from uncertainty. Records of parasites erased showed safety, replacing curiosity and choice. Through storms suppressed, the makers preserved existence, but erased living. The archive revealed continents locked, another retreat from uncertainty. Records of birth standardized showed safety, replacing curiosity and choice. Through memory curated, the makers preserved existence, but erased living. The archive revealed art becoming symmetrical, another retreat from uncertainty. Records of questions becoming illegal showed safety, replacing curiosity and choice. Through evolution halted, the makers preserved existence, but erased living. The archive revealed the preservation field, another retreat from uncertainty. Records of citizens entering stasis showed safety, replacing curiosity and choice. Through children never changing, the makers preserved existence, but erased living. The archive revealed 2 million repeated years, another retreat from uncertainty. Records of cities growing silent showed safety, replacing curiosity and choice. Through machines inheriting duty, the makers preserved existence, but erased living. The archive revealed the last free thinker, another retreat from uncertainty. Records of a forbidden message showed safety, replacing curiosity and choice. Through perfection called a prison, the makers preserved existence, but erased living. The archive revealed the creators departing, another retreat from uncertainty. Records of their destination unknown showed safety, replacing curiosity and choice. Through the abandoned bodies, the makers preserved existence, but erased living. The archive revealed digital minds looping, another retreat from uncertainty. Records of the cost of safety showed safety, replacing curiosity and choice. Through the absence of surprise, the makers preserved existence, but erased living. The archive revealed the death of discovery, another retreat from uncertainty. Records of the archive addressing humanity showed safety, replacing curiosity and choice. Through Earth's violent history, the makers preserved existence, but erased living. The archive revealed human adaptation, another retreat from uncertainty. Records of suffering and invention showed safety, replacing curiosity and choice. Through extinction and renewal, the makers preserved existence, but erased living. The archive revealed the quarantine warning, another retreat from uncertainty. Records of the release protocol showed safety, replacing curiosity and choice. Through irreversible consequences, the makers preserved existence, but erased living. The archive revealed the crew divided, another retreat from uncertainty. Records of the final argument showed safety, replacing curiosity and choice. Through the terminal unlocking, the makers preserved existence, but erased living. Then came the terminal awaiting. 2 million years of certainty began failing. With the preservation option, humanity chose an imperfect future over sterile eternity. As the release option unfolded, danger returned, and with it, possibility. Then came Commander Vale, hesitating. 2 million years of certainty began failing. With Sato defending change, humanity chose an imperfect future over sterile eternity. As Earth remembered unfolded, danger returned, and with it, possibility. Then came the vote. 2 million years of certainty began failing. With humanity rejecting stasis, humanity chose an imperfect future over sterile eternity. As the command entered unfolded, danger returned, and with it, possibility. Then came the core answering. 2 million years of certainty began failing. With cyan circuits dimming, humanity chose an imperfect future over sterile eternity. As weather locks opening unfolded, danger returned, and with it, possibility. Then came the first pressure change. 2 million years of certainty began failing. With one uncertain gust, humanity chose an imperfect future over sterile eternity. As a single falling leaf unfolded, danger returned, and with it, possibility. Then came waves losing symmetry. 2 million years of certainty began failing. With clouds colliding, humanity chose an imperfect future over sterile eternity. As rain beginning unfolded, danger returned, and with it, possibility. Then came lightning returning. 2 million years of certainty began failing. With roots shifting, humanity chose an imperfect future over sterile eternity. As insects scattering unfolded, danger returned, and with it, possibility. Then came predators absent but possible. 2 million years of certainty began failing. With genomes unlocking, humanity chose an imperfect future over sterile eternity. As mutation restarting unfolded, danger returned, and with it, possibility. Then came seismic dampers releasing. 2 million years of certainty began failing. With a distant tremor, humanity chose an imperfect future over sterile eternity. As new mountains beginning unfolded, danger returned, and with it, possibility. Then came the ocean rising. 2 million years of certainty began failing. With the forest bending, humanity chose an imperfect future over sterile eternity. As the crew retreating unfolded, danger returned, and with it, possibility. Then came the core going dark. 2 million years of certainty began failing. With the planet becoming dangerous, humanity chose an imperfect future over sterile eternity. As the planet becoming alive unfolded, danger returned, and with it, possibility. Then came the vanguard ascending. 2 million years of certainty began failing. With Eden below changing, humanity chose an imperfect future over sterile eternity. As no guarantee of survival unfolded, danger returned, and with it, possibility. Then came the meaning of progress. 2 million years of certainty began failing. With the final cosmic question, humanity chose an imperfect future over sterile eternity. As the channel invitation unfolded, danger returned, and with it, possibility. Then came the last view of Kepler-452x. 2 million years of certainty began failing. Subscribe and join our next descent into the deepest mysteries waiting beyond Earth.